Are you wondering if advertising on Facebook can make you money? Maybe you already tried boosting your posts and wasted a bunch of money. Hi, my name is Francisco, but you could call me the Cisco Kid. Was a friend of mine. I own an internet marketing company called Planet Marketing. I specialize in Facebook ads, Google ads, and when it comes to marketing on Facebook, I'm specifically talking about using sponsored posts to get ads in front of your target audience. I'm not talking about doing regular wall posts or being a community manager. My video course is designed to make sales for your company. In fact, Planet Marketing's slogan is advertise today and get sales tomorrow. Notice that it's not brand today and get sales in 6 months. Now, over the past 13 years, 100% of my clients needed sales today, not 3 to 6 months from now. My do-it-yourself Facebook ads marketing course is great for service-based businesses, retail shops with storefronts, and e-commerce sites. By service-based businesses, I mean companies like CPAs, accountants, lawyers, catering companies, real estate agents, plumbers, electricians. Basically, companies that provide a service. And what I mean by retail shops with storefronts, I'm talking about bars and restaurants, cafes, apparel stores, basically where you need foot traffic walking into the door. And when I'm talking about e-commerce, I'm talking about a website where people shop online using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Magento, etc. So if you own a service-based business, a retail shop, or an e-commerce site, this video course is for you. Every person I hire has to go through my do-it-yourself Facebook ads marketing course. In other words, once you complete this course, you will have no problem reaching your target audience and getting sales. In fact, if you want, you can start your own Facebook ads marketing company and get clients online. Now, in this course, I'm going to be educating you on what types of campaign objectives you should use in your situation, defining your target audience, and creating ads. I'll also be talking about landing pages, how to install the Facebook Pixel into your landing pages, remarketing, creating custom audiences, and integrations so your leads can go into your CRM. I'm confident that my do-it-yourself Facebook ads marketing course will generate sales for you. I even have a 100% money back guarantee. You have nothing to lose. And one last thing before I go, or get on to the next video, please pay attention here. You may be only one marketing campaign away from creating a constant stream of income for your business. Advertise today and get sales tomorrow.